used to rule Bollywood and 100 crore clubs in conversation with Kareena Kapoor. A bit of a tidbit that you gave us on stage that Saif loves long hair, and I don't think anyone knew that.
No, I think definitely he's always preferred long hair. He likes it, and yes, I've decided that I'm again growing my hair for my next film. So that's something that I'm trying to do, and I've normally always had a length that's with my shoulders, but this time I really want long locks. So hopefully they'll grow faster. Yeah.
If I have to ask you to dole out 3 hair tips for our viewers, what would that be?
Well, I think the most important thing is that we live in a hot country, especially Mumbai is very humid. So to constantly keep your scalp hydrated is important. I love oiling my hair with almond oil, so I use that a lot.
Digressing a bit from the brand and talking about films, Singham, recent hit Singham 100 crore club again. How does that feel?
In fact, I think the films that are, I mean, it's the kind of thing that it's a commercial film. It was a film that was meant to entertain, and I'm really happy that people, watched it in that sense, in that flavor. And also, I think Rohit, Ajay, and me have never really failed at the box office, so it just keeps that tradition going. That for the third time, we've been really, really lucky.
And Karina, there have been reports that you're on a rejecting spree. You are not, films like Bajirao Mastani and Queen was also offered to you in the past, and you rejected it. But
People are making too much about it, and then if I say something, they're like, she shouldn't talk about films she rejects. So as a rule, all I can say is that it's an actor's prerogative to decide which film they want to be a part of. And certain films I've chosen to be a part of, and certain films I have not. But that's fine. And I don't know why everybody else is so concerned when I am not that concerned.
And recently, Priyanka also said that heroines normally lead to riding back on leading men. 100 crore films are like that. Would you like to comment something on it, because you have been a 100 crore club heroine?
Actually, not. I'm proud of every film of mine. I've also done films like Heroine and Chameli, which have been films that are part of mine, and my 100 crore films, I'm very proud of being a part of those, because there's no film that is complete without a fabulous leading lady in most of the 100 crore films. So I wouldn't like to put that down, but so are my flops a part of my career. So I'm one actress that would like to take credit for her hits, but also her flops. So that's fine.
And lastly, is Kareena Kapoor ready to start a family?
No, not at all. Definitely not. It's not even on the radar.